National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Union County, northeastern Logan County, Hardin County, northwestern Delaware County until 11 p.m. At 10:28 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Ada to McMorran, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Kenton, Forest, Ridgewood, Ashley. In addition, Rush, Sylvania, New Jerusalem, Silver Creek, Dola, Big Springs, Blanchard, Dunkirk, and Mentor are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.